Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ram 3500 fuel filters step by step. Start by gathering tools: wrench set, new filter, drain pan, gloves, and rags. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Relieve fuel pressure at the Schrader valve or fuel pump access. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Label hoses if needed to ensure correct reassembly and avoid fuel leaks. Now we move to removal with a calm, steady approach. Loosen fittings slowly to control fuel flow and avoid splashes. Use rags to catch drips and a capped container to store old fuel for proper disposal. Note orientation of inlet and outlet ports before removal. Inspect O-rings and fuel lines for cracking or swelling, and replace any damaged parts to ensure a reliable, leak-free installation when you fit the new filter. Quick recommendation: if you are finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like the video. On another note, I use those leak-proof containers to keep my shop snacks and parts organized and spill-free, which surprisingly saves time when I need a clean work surface. They seal tight, stack well, and make cleanup easy after greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new filter with confidence, but without over-tightening fittings. Hand tighten first, then use a wrench to the specified torque if available. Reconnect any quick disconnects and ensure clamps are snug. Prime the system using the manual pump or by cycling the ignition to engage the electric pump until pressure builds. Start the engine and inspect all connections closely for leaks while the engine runs, and recheck after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.